ProProfs helps you earn money by selling your courses and quizzes online with no hassle. Say goodbye to merchant accounts, payment gateways, setup or listing fees, hosting costs, e-commerce coding and development. Simply set a price and get paid. Here are some great examples of courses and quizzes that have been created using ProProfs. Users can view the price, click Buy to check out on a customized checkout page, and make a purchase. Once they purchase, they get an email with instructions on how to access the course. This course has a great landing page and a clear and easy to follow table of contents and navigation. Courses can include images, videos, and quizzes to keep learners engaged. Here's another example of a company selling a course on their website that they have made using ProProfs. This quiz is available in the ProProfs store as well as on this company's website. The quiz is easy to buy using our payment gateway. You can also set up a Stripe account if you prefer to accept payments that way. Building courses and quizzes is really easy using our tools. ProProfs Training Maker is a simple way to build amazing online courses that will start earning money immediately. ProProfs Quiz Maker makes it easy to create quizzes and give instant feedback to your learners. To start selling, go to your dashboard to set a price. ProProfs automatically handles the payment process and delivery of the quiz or course. You have the option of setting up Stripe or using your own payment processing system. After you set a price, you're ready to sell your course or quiz in our store, on your website, or anywhere else. You can set up a customized page in the ProProfs store, which gets millions of visitors every month. You can also promote your quiz or course on your own website, using an email link, on social media, and elsewhere. Your buyers click the Buy button and check out using our friendly checkout page branded with your logo. We support all major credit cards and have optimized our backend to decrease credit card declines, which ensures you get paid. ProProfs can also handle cryptic payment gateway messages and error codes to ensure the process is smooth for both you and your buyer. As soon as you make a sale, you're instantly notified so you can watch your money grow on your sales dashboard. You can also see information such as the date of purchase, the name of the item sold, price, the buyer's names, email addresses, phone numbers, and your total earnings. You can download buyer information and use it for email or SMS marketing to grow your customer base. There are so many insightful reports, including those on how much you are selling, when you are selling, which products are selling, where the buyers are from, and many more. Depending on the payment processing you set up, you can get paid once per month in a single consolidated payment, or even instantly every time you make a sale. With ProProfs, you have a significant marketing advantage since your pages are optimized to rank high in search engines and are automatically promoted in our store, which has millions of visitors each month. You can even generate coupons to promote your content. This gives you a good idea of how ProProfs can help you sell quizzes and courses. Sign up for a free ProProfs account today to get all these features and more. We're here to help if you need us. We have live chat, phone help, and a knowledge base, so it's easy to get started.